This is the Soundscape assignment for SPRR 1000. My name is Jakub.
I'm Ronan.
I'm Sarah.
During pre-production, we created a Google document where we wrote out the story that we wanted to tell based on the two images we chose.
We recorded these sounds in the sound booth. We used a brush and scrunched leaves to create footsteps. We used rice in an aluminium pan, on cloth in a jar, and on the top of an umbrella to recreate rain. For the wind sound effect, we put the microphone really close to the air conditioner in the sound booth.
Since a lot of our sounds were nature, we were able to get a lot of them out and about. We recorded actual wind, actual birds, and some footsteps out on the grass. We had planned on manipulating the sounds that we had created in the sound booth to create thunder and rain. However, by chance, the weekend that we had the equipment, a significant thunderstorm rolled in, and I happily sat outside for about 2 hours, recording as much as I could in as many different situations as I could of the thunder and the rain, and we were able to use that instead of any pre-recorded sound effects, which meant we didn't have to edit them too much in post-production.
The final indoor clip has a low-pass filter applied to it to make the rain sound muffled on the roof of the house.
Supposed to say goodbye?
Do you want to do like a really cheesy see ya?
See you later, friends.